Hello everyone, 0 to 1,000 Marketing here, or Money from Home 86 here, and I want to let you know that I got a sale 2 weeks ago on ClickBank using my Legion secret, and I was and when I saw this, I'm like, wow, I finally got another sale. It took long enough to get a sale. I was like, man, can I really get another sale here? So let's go to reporting and see the statistics that came from that sale. So the hop count 549, hospital order 549, hospital order form impression 274, all order form impressions 2, initial order form impressions 2. And that one sale right here, this is all legit. Right here, right here. So right there, and then you go all the way over here. Net sales order amount, or net sales amount 13. Then 100 totals 100%. So let's look at today's statistics, or today's or yesterday's statistics. So we can go to today, and so today is 54. So today I'm doing another product today that I used yesterday, and it was social paid. So we can go to today and tomorrow, today and yesterday. So yesterday I had 73 hops, 18 4 order form impressions, and no sales, which is surprising because I thought I'll get a sale. But it depends on what offer you're selling, what offer you're promoting, and that's really it. So if we can go to my lead gen secret here for a second, hold on. So here are my Legion secret, and here are the statistics I sent out. So here are my open rate. So 367 opened, 14 clicks, and this is today. Yesterday 378 opened, 36 clicked. Tuesday, not Tuesday, Monday, Memorial Day, 512 opened, 89 clicked. Okay. Then I sent out that same email the day prior to Monday, that Sunday. It was 847 opened, 133 clicked. So that is amazing. And each day I do this, I'm getting better and better at it. And all I'm doing is just getting the emails from ClickBank, and that's really cool. So Saturday 438, that Friday 551, and 113 clicks. So my best one that I sent out was this one, the 526 one. That's when I got the sell on. I got the sell on. So 1,075 opens 22% open rate, and 181 clicks. That is amazing. So that's like my highest one, my highest ever on my Legion secret. So that's like these two right here, the make bank today email and the your initial job payment email, was my two highest ones that I made. Was the two highest opens that I ever had on here. The close I got was like 900, like 986, and then but the open rate, the clicks, I never got over 161. So, or either the open or the clicks, or it's either or. So I'm doing really good with this, and so the clicks to open ratio is 20.51%, then 60 for 51%, and And hey, like I'm liking my Legion Secret because I got a sale from here, but I didn't. I ain't got a sale from this, and it's really a good one, and I'm doing very very well. So I mean, and I looked at their face at the My Legion success group page, and you can join right now. Well, you can't really join. You can join after you join under my link down in the description. And I want to let you know that this is legit. If you have a ClickBank account, sign up for one so you can get started today and you can make some money today. Make money from home, or you can make some money as be affiliate marketer, or if you want to start today, join now today, and and uh link in the description if you want to join under me and start the journey with me, because I've been wanting to do this for years. I'm finally doing it, and these 2 months have been good for me. I finally got 2 sales using ClickBank, and I see what people are saying about my Legion Secret. So my Legion Secret is is good, and you get 100 leads every day. But the one thing you can do is you can sign up under, so you get this link right here. You get this link right here, your affiliate link right here, and you make a new account under the same account, and so you can get 200 leads instead of 100 leads a day. So if you're interested, join today, and time to make some money. 0 to 1,000 marketing out. And please subscribe down below if you're interested uh, for more content on my channel, and please like and subscribe, and join the fun. Join to make your life a better living, because this is really a life-changing experience for me, because I didn't think I would ever do this. But since the pandemic happened, and and I've been trying to like find ways to make money. This is an easy way how to make money online. If I can do it, you can do it too. Subscribe, join. Links in the description. Join, and get on this path with me, because I will lead you and guide you step by step how to make money online with my Legion Secret. And also, when you join, and if you have a Facebook page, join the Facebook group My Legion Secret Success, because we have all our success, and there's one guy in particular on there that has swipes on there that you can use to help you out and get started today. Just like here, we go to affiliates right here. We go to affiliates. They have everything for you. All the affiliate emails here. All the affiliate emails. 10 of them. 10 emails. They got text ads for you and banner ads. If you're planning on using it for Facebook ads, hey, My Legion Secret has it all for you. Get started today. Link in the description down below. Get started. Start making money. Get on it.